If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press all bell icon. Then only you will get notification for all my upcoming and interesting videos. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am adding 3 spoons of corn flour or corn starch it is called. One or two spoons of white vinegar. Since I have apple cider vinegar, I am using apple cider. You can use white or brown vinegar. Add 1 or 2 spoons of any cooking oil. As for the Fevicol is concerned, we must use 3 spoons of Fevicol for 3 spoons of corn flour. Then only your flour will get mixed up completely with Fevicol. But I am not going to use equal quantity of Fevicol. I am going to use less than 1 cup. Now I am going to cook this at low flame for just only 2 minutes. I skip the cooking process. Once it is cooked, grease your working area and your hands with oil or Vaseline and knead it well using both your hands. Keep it in an airtight container. For coloring the clay, I am going to use oil colors. Even though oil colors are quite costlier than acrylic colors, to show you the advantages of using oil colors, I am going to mix oil color with the clay. The color of oil paintings are more vibrant and intense, and it will not lose its color even after many years. While mixing, use only your fingers. Since I used oil colors, you can see my hands did not get messed up with the colors. This is the consistency of a perfect clay. You can see after some time the clay starts breaking. In this case, add a little Fevicol to it, mix it well. Even though I spread it to a very thin sheet, the edges are not breaking up. This is the correct consistency of preparing a clay. I used very less quantity of Fevicol, but we got very perfect hair-dry clay. For the outer petals, I am using a pale yellow. See, the color is so vibrant with a beautiful texture. It looks like a real leaf. I made this ancient jar some times back. The link is in the description box below. Kindly check out. I want to decorate this ancient jar with the rose flower. Let us fix the rose leaves and the buds using white M-seal or black M-seal. Hope you like this video. If you like it, kindly subscribe and support my channel. Thanks for watching.